Oh, hello again. Welcome. This is another afternoon in our kitchen, and we are making uji or porridge here, or African porridge. So the ingredients for making this uji is I'll show you real quick. You need powder. This is optional. If you don't have that, you just want to use the real lemon. And if you like to make it even better, use some cinnamon. And this is all optional. You don't have to do any lemon, any cinnamon, or any sugar. They are all optional. You can just use these and water, and that's all you need. Again, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe if you don't mind. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Please consider sharing this channel to your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and together we can grow. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you much. Making uji is fairly a simple operation. All you need is a cup of dry flour, 8 cups of boiling water, and 1 cup of sugar. And the sugar is optional. You don't have to do sugar if you don't like it. If you want to spice up your uji, you can always add lemon juice or cinnamon. For me, cinnamon is my way to go, just because I'm gonna be serving children the same uji. So you know, the milder the taste, the better for me. So thank you again. We're gonna be uploading this live on our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so if you wish. Like the channel, let me know what you like, what you don't like, what I can do better, and share, tell a friend of yours, share, view, and subscribe. Thank you. It's ready here. Our porridge is ready, so we are ready to serve. Before we start serving it, remember what I told you about the cinnamon? I'm gonna put a dash of cinnamon here just to give it that cinnamony flavor, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of lemon juice here to just give it that nice citrus flavor. So you can put as much as you want or as little as you want, it doesn't matter. These are just dry spices, they don't need to cook. So I will just pour it right away. Give it a little toast here. Beat it a little bit. And looks like that when it's ready. Look at that. Then I will pour everything in a jug for serving and for storage. So the consistency should be smooth when you pour out without any lumps. And I have a little bit left out here, and I'm just gonna make sure this one cools down for my little boy. I don't want to burn his mouth. Oh, so Kalani, actually I made some uji for you. You wanna tell me what you think about it?
Okay.
Do you know what that is?
Uji.
What is uji?
It's this thing. Looks brown.
What is uji in English?
Oh no, I don't know.
Yeah? Okay. So they call it porridge. Have you heard about porridge?
So this will become cold.
Yeah, but it's actually cool it down. Is it? Tell me what you think. You're holding it in your mouth?
I just bit my tongue off.
Oh my god. He's actually holding the porridge in his mouth. to figure out how it tastes like. No, you're not supposed to hold it like that. You're supposed to swallow. Now you're talking. You seem to like it, huh? Do you know what it's made of?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's made of grain. And the grain grows in tropical areas. I'm sure it can grow in every part of the world, but this grain, I got it from your grandma's village in Africa. Yes. Do you like it? Uh-oh. Bless you. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Yes.
That is good.
You like it?
Can I have this?
Yeah, you can have that. Help yourself. Thank you so much.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.
Okay, so actually, your t-shirt says champion there. A little bit of the UJI product here that you see. This is actually the product that the most that elite athletes use. You know, they grow up drinking UJI, snacking on UJI, and it's just the best superfood there. It's full of iron. Yeah, for sure. I know it has a lot of iron. I haven't looked into all the nutritional aspects, but I know for sure that it has enough iron and it's good for your bones.
Editor, zoom in.
You got stuff in your head. And now you can take the whole cup.
Oh yeah.
Are you happy? Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.